So we're trying to get the sound quality in the car to sound good, but on the video. I noticed that every time I post a video, the bass distorts the hell out of the speakers. So what we're going to try to do now is we're going to try to get the bass level and some good sound quality in the phone, and we're going to try and get it loud enough to where the LED lights will flash too. So let's just do a little test here. We're featuring Akon here, and it's going to be a remix. Or no, this one's not. Let's see.
You know what they say about it? Yeah. Ain't no games here. Hey!
As you can see there, it is not loud enough for the light. So first I'm going to try to increase the bass level, and we'll see where that takes us. Light. The bass might be distorted, I don't know yet, because I can't hear it. It sounds pretty damn good in the car though. But, alright, let's try this. Don't really got the lights going on there. It is daylight, so that kind of sucks. But let's try upping the bass a little bit, okay? I still don't know whether we got good sound quality or not. I think on a test earlier that I did, it was better when the volume was low. So we're going to try low volume, high bass sound. definitely got lights there. Okay, decrease the volume a little bit. I don't know how that sounds, but I think that one might work there. I'm going to have to go post this and check it out. So, we're going to try one more song. We're going to do a Tupac remix. Let's see. Now we're going to increase the bass just a little bit on that. Oh, it's already all the way up. I guess we're going to decrease it. Let's go here. Let's change the hertz to down to 50. And crank it. Okay, so let's post this up, check it out, and then I can make a video knowing where the sound quality is and the lights and everything will be hooked up, so hopefully it won't be as long. Okay.